Hello, let's start unboxing and installing the higher hardtop deep freezer today. Start by cutting the packaging straps. Now we cut the packaging tapes. After cutting the packaging tapes, we open the flaps and take out the cardboard box. See, that was easy. Next, we'll remove the thermocol protection, which is there to protect the freezer during the transport. After removing all the tapes and the thermocol, we remove the plastic cover. Now remove the door gaskets placed on the sides and the plastic support in the center. Now opening the door of the deep freezer, we carefully remove the tapes holding the baskets inside. Place your deep freezer in the desired area and ensure to have 1 feet clearance on all the 4 sides to ensure proper ventilation. This deep freezer comes with an accessories pack. The pack contains the user manual, a scraper, and the freezer keys. Insert the key fully into the keyhole. To lock the door, turn the key in the anti-clockwise direction. Use a scraper to gently remove excess ice from the middle beam. Continue using the scraper to remove ice from the inner tank surfaces. Now we check the power cord and plug it into a power socket. Make sure it is positioned correctly like this. Before putting items inside the freezer, run the freezer for at least 3 hours for the freezer to intensively cool and give optimal performance. For effective cooling, it's better to start loading your freezer gradually. Start by loading the freezer from 30%, then up to 50%, and then up to 70%. This helps the freezer to run with optimum effectiveness, keeping the temperature steady. This deep freezer comes with adjustable thermostat. Set the thermostat on your desired temperature. For example, a colder setting is ideal for a long-term storage, while a moderate temperature works well for frequent use. Please refer to the do's and don'ts for easy usage. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps in unboxing and installing the higher hardtop deep freezer.
Points to note for best product performance. Do not load fresh meat directly into the freezer. However, frozen meat can be stored. The freezer is not recommended to make ice. Storing glass bottles in the freezer is not recommended. Maintain some space inside the freezer to allow proper airflow and cooling. Keep the freezer running 24/7 to maintain the right temperature. Thus, freezer consumes less electricity. Whenever ice gets accumulated inside freezer, do manual defrost and remove it with the scraper. In summer, the freezer body may feel hot. This is normal. The freezer may be releasing heat from inside out.